So let's summarize what we've learned in this module. Reconnaissance or information gathering is a very important stage in preparing to attack a network or a system. And we've seen that there are 7 steps to collate information.
Right.
It starts with gathering initial information and then finding out the network range. You don't have to get onto the network or scan it, so we call this passive footprinting.
Right, but then after the passive comes the active. You go for active footprinting, where you can scan the network and ports to identify machines and access points. You can scan for ports and figure out if they are vulnerable. You then go for fingerprinting the operating system and banner grab to find out the services running on the system. And with the knowledge of the network, ports on machine, operating system, and software details, now you can prepare a security profile of the target network or the system. Then we looked at how you can set up countermeasures to prevent unsolicited reconnaissance.